Hello and welcome to Something You Should Try. Here is the Whoosh Screen Shine Screen and Device Cleaner. Great for your flat screen TVs, your monitors and computer monitors, your phones. And what's so great, no streaks, and most of all, it's non-toxic and odorless. It comes in this 16.9 ounce bottle, and it includes a microfiber cloth. It also comes with a bigger, like a 14-inch by 14-inch microfiber cloth, but I remember I cleaned a TV that was a little dirtier, and it's in the washer right now, so I can't show you that cloth. But you can get any soft microfiber cloth, but this is really handy for what I'm about to show you. Let's clean the TV. It removes dirt, grime, and fingerprints. Spray a little bit on the cloth. You can actually spray a little bit on the screen too. But this small cloth works great with the TV. You just wipe it on, and you can take the other side and buff it out if you like, or you can get a bigger microfiber cloth and buff it out if you like. Either way, it works great. Oh, by the way, you can also use it on eyeglasses. Yes, it cleans your eyeglasses real good too. Once again, Whoosh Screen and Device Cleaner. Thanks for watching.